Let's go check on the kids. Oh, what do we have here? We have Peter and Harlem. Look how cute the kitties are. Peter's sitting there. Say hi, Peter. And who do we have here? Is this baby Harlem? Oh, is this the kitty? In the sink all day? Say hi, Mama. I'm in the sink. Hi. Want some belly rubs? Hey. Show Mama how we give you the belly rubs. Hey, mister? Hey, Mr. Man? Oh. Aren't you pretty?